Why did you walk home? You could have taken a taxi or bus. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use could have done. In a previous lesson, we said that we use could to express a current or future possibility. To talk about a past possibility, we use could have done. Let's look at this example. I went to a movie yesterday. These movies were playing, so I had 4 options. I saw the sci-fi movie, but I could have seen the comedy, or I could have seen the horror movie, or I could have seen the fantasy movie. These were all playing yesterday in the past, so I can use could have seen to say that it was possible to see them yesterday. Let's look at some more examples. You got really lucky. You could have died. Why did you walk home? You could have taken a taxi or bus. We could have gone out to eat, but we decided to order pizza. My date was horrible. It couldn't have been worse. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it.